Hello guys, welcome back to Inspire to DIY. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I was able to create some wedding favors. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. A little backstory, my last video I was able to make some candles using the IKEA tea light holder. Now I am turning them into actual wedding favors using those clear plastic boxes. Each of them have a film protecting it, so I started by peeling that off one by one. Altogether, I'll be making 60 wedding favors. Now I was able to repeat that same step for about 60 boxes. I will be listing a list of all the items that I was able to use for this project in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Once I removed all of the film, I was able to create my box. It is actually very easy to do, and also there will be description on the package when you actually purchase it on how to actually fold it together and turn it into a box. Keep in mind this project is very repetitive, especially if you are making large amount of favors, so I repeated that step for all of my other boxes. Once my boxes were ready, I then took my mini candles. They are so adorable and they fit perfectly in a 2x2 clear box. The next item I'll be using for this project is this white sheer ribbon as well as a gold one. What I'll do is measure them to size to go around each of my boxes and then proceed. During this whole project, there was some learning curve. At first, I thought I was going to lay both of the ribbons together, but down the line, I ended up deciding on putting just the sheer ribbon around the box and create an actual ribbon using the gold one. I then tie my sheer ribbon around the box as tight as I possibly could. And with the gold ribbon, I was able to create a mini bow, and it's not perfect, but it will actually do. I trim it down a little and use my fire technique to actually seal the end of each of the ribbon like I did before, and next I'll go ahead and glue it where the previous ribbon was already tied on to the box. The two ribbons already look so nice together, but to add a little more personal touch, I went on and got some pearl rhinestone buttons that I glued on top of the ribbon. Wow, this is so beautiful and elegant. I was able to repeat the same step for the remaining of my little boxes and candles. It's a very easy yet repetitive process, but I'll let you guys enjoy the second time around as I create it. I hope you guys enjoyed this project as much as I enjoy creating it and sharing it with you all. If you have not already done so, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to check on the last video that I made where I shared with you how I was able to create those mini and cute candles using IKEA tea light. At last, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.